Hello, my name is Russell Swanson. I'm very excited to apply to your TEDx USF event with the theme of challenging what is. I think I have a talk that would fit in very nicely. I'd like to give a talk that I call the evolution of philosophy, where I put philosophy into a deeper evolutionary context in order to take it out of this idea that it is a kind of a esoteric university or academic practice only. I think it should be the stuff of life. I think it is, and it may evolve into something that more and more humans are a part of. In order to understand that and to make the case for that, what I like to do is look at our species in this deeper context and argue about some things or shed some light on some things that are so basic to us as a species that they're really taken for granted, and then challenge what is by bringing them to the fore. Just to give you a little taste of that, I think we're fundamentally abstract thinking creatures that participate in life through a certain modality that we call culture, a certain approach. Cheetahs are fast and squirrels climb, and humans participate in reality through a shared system of belief called culture. That's got obvious advantages. It has produced an incredible level of cohesiveness in increasingly large cooperative societies, for better and worse. And I think lately, in particular, for worse, as the speed of environmental and technological change increases, what we need to do is have a more thoughtful, reflective process about the cultural belief system that we live through. The trouble is, historically, we're just not that kind of species. I think passively we grow up long before we can think for ourselves and are sort of indoctrinated and enculturated into a way of seeing the world that defines man, woman, what it means to be a member of this group, what's important in life, what are the values, what are we living for. All this is sort of programmed into us by our cultural upbringing. And only relatively recently in human evolutionary history have we seen the emergence of societies where some individuals aren't immediately killed for questioning that cultural belief system. And this is, of course, the philosophical tradition as it begins around the Mediterranean 2,500 years ago. So in my talk, I like to invite more people to actively participate in the ongoing evolution of culture, or what I like to call socially constructed reality, so we can live more consciously and take more responsibility for adapting to new technologies and the environment around us. So I hope you like it. Thanks very much.